All right, here we go. This is how you're going to do IXL J10 under algebra, solve linear equation word problems. It says Celine's graduation picnic costs $3 for every attendee. If there are 13 attendees, how much would it cost? So I'm going to do 3 times 13, and that's going to give me 39. On this one, it says Adriana's retirement party costs $11 plus an additional $1 for each guest she invites. If there are 12 guests, how much will Adriana's retirement party cost? Well, just to book the hotel room or rent out the conference room or whatnot, it's going to cost me $11. Then it's going to cost me $1 for each guest. So since I have 12 guests, I'm going to do 12 times 1, and that's 12 plus the 11. That's going to be 23. Now, Elena's birthday party costs $22 plus an additional dollar for each guest she invites. It's the same principle, because I guess we're renting out the room or something like that. That's why we have an additional cost of $22. How many guests can there be at most if Elena can afford to spend $31 on her birthday party? So what we have to do is we have to work backwards. So we're going to start with 31 and we're going to take out the cost of the room. So if we do 31 minus 22, that's going to be 9. And if it costs $1 per guest, we're going to do 9 divided by 1. I know it seems simple, but we got to stick with the process. Trust the process, just like the Sixers. 9 divided by 1 is 9. Neil reads 2 books each month as part of his book club. If Neil has read 46 books so far, how many months has he been with this book club? So 2 books per month, you've read 46 books, so we're going to do 46 divided by 2, and we get 23. Ivan's birthday party costs $4 for every guest he invites. How many guests can there be at most if Ivan can afford to spend $24 on his birthday party? So again, we have to work backwards. We're going to do 24 divided by 4, and we get 6. A sapling that started out 11 inches tall grew 3 inches per year. How old was the sapling when it was 47 inches tall? So we're going to have to work backwards here. This is going to be a 2-step problem. So we're going to do 47 minus 11. It's going to give us 36. So that's how many inches it's grown in the years. So if we do 36 divided by 3, we're going to get 12. So it's 12 years old. Carly already owns 4 hairbands, and additional hairbands are priced at one for $1. With $19 to spend on new hairbands, how many total hairbands can Carly own? So we have to work backwards. So we're going to do, let's see, we have 4 to start with, and we have 19 to spend on it. So we're going to do 19 times 1. That's going to give me 19 plus the 4 I already own, so that's going to be 23. Barbara takes 2 pages of notes during each hour of class. After attending 21 hours of class, how many total pages of notes will Barbara have in her notebook? So if it's 2 per hour and you've been going for 21 hours, it's going to be 2 times 21, and that's 42. Valeria has already jarred 4 liters of jam and will jar an additional 1 liter of jam every day. How much jam did Valeria jar if she spent 3 days making jam? So if we've been jarring for 3 days, so that's 3 times 1, that's 3, plus the 4 we already have, that's going to be 7. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know.